Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to do the knit stitch. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. First, insert the right needle into the front leg of the stitch on the left needle. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, scoop through and pull through the stitch, and slip the old stitch off the left needle. Insert, wrap, scoop, pull through, slip off. Insert, wrap, scoop, pull through, slip off. Now continue doing that to the end of the row. Once you know how to knit, you are ready to combine this with the purl stitch to make lots of other interesting stitches. Take care not to pull too tightly, otherwise you'll have really tight stitches. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.